Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the simplest, most enjoyable way. No stress, no pressure. Just listen carefully and watch the video several times, and you'll start learning naturally and with ease. Today's video is all about a sport that might seem a little confusing at first, but is deeply loved across the United States: American football. For many people around the world, it looks like a bunch of guys in helmets crashing into each other. But there's a lot more going on behind the scenes. In this video, we'll uncover the secret rules of American football and help you understand what makes it so exciting for millions of fans. Let's start with the basics. American football is played between two teams of 11 players on a rectangular field with goalposts at each end. The main goal is to score points by getting the ball into the opposing team's end zone. You can do that by running with the ball or passing it to a teammate. Now, here comes one of the first secret rules. The game is played in downs. Each team has 4 chances, called downs, to move the ball at least 10 yards. If they succeed, they get another set of 4 downs. If they don't, they lose the ball and the other team takes over. This rule adds strategy, pressure, and drama to every play. Another thing that might surprise you is how important the clock is. A football game is divided into 4 quarters of 15 minutes each, but the actual time it takes to finish a game is often 3 hours or more. That's because the clock stops for certain reasons, like when a pass is incomplete, a player goes out of bounds, or there's a penalty. Speaking of penalties, that's another secret layer of the game. There are dozens of rules players must follow, and referees throw yellow flags when someone breaks one. From offside to pass interference, these infractions can completely change the momentum of a game. One of the biggest reasons Americans love football is because it's a mix of physical power and mental strategy. Coaches carefully plan each play, and players memorize long lists of codes and movements. It's like chess with helmets and shoulder pads. Football is also a cultural experience. The Super Bowl, tailgating parties, marching bands, cheerleaders, and halftime shows are just as important to the fans as the game itself. For many families, watching football together on Sundays is a tradition that brings everyone together. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning about the secret rules of American football, be sure to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. That part is essential for mastering your English and understanding American culture in depth. Don't forget to give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us keep growing and creating even better content for you. See you in the next adventure